This is FIMI Mini 3 and today I'll show how you can swap a battery on this drone. So in the beginning, take your aircraft and make sure that it is powered off. Now below the charging port at the rear side of the drone, you will find the battery, or well, rather this release button, which you need to press in, and once the button is pressed all the way, eject the battery or simply take it out. Then take a replacement battery, make sure to align the contact point on the aircraft and on the battery like that, and then simply slide it in, as simple as that. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.